Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the account and device. First, make sure your carrier permits switching from eSIM to a physical SIM and that you already have a compatible physical SIM card. Once done, backup contacts and any profiles and record the eSIM ICSID and activation details so you can reference them. Make sure your phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi or cellular. You'll need a stable connection when you contact the carrier or use their app to request the swap. Now you'll initiate the actual swap through your carrier. Contact them via the provider app or support line and request an eSIM to physical SIM migration. Give your IMEI and the eSIM ICSID and complete identity verification. Once approved, you'll either receive a QR/activation code instantly, a digital ICSID to enter manually, or a physical SIM by mail. Follow the carrier's precise steps. Scan the QR or enter the ICSID in settings. Because these actions trigger deactivation of the eSIM, finish by installing and activating the physical SIM. Power off the phone, insert the SIM in the correct tray orientation, then power on. When the phone boots, follow on-screen or carrier prompts to complete activation and select the physical SIM for calls, data, or SMS if dual profiles exist. Make sure mobile data/APN settings match carrier requirements. If you don't get service, restart and reseat the SIM. If still no signal, check APN and contact carrier support for
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.